Boss, paano kung kakilala mo pa siya tapos nag-usap kayo at nung hiningi ko na FB niya, binigay naman pero nung chinat ko, wala namang pakialam? Well, sigarilyo, that could only mean one thing. Her attraction level for you is very low. Nasa most probably nasa 4 and below na yan, ano? And if I were in your shoes, I would not waste any more of my time and energy on her. Maghahanap na lang ako ng iba. Someone who is enthusiastic to see me and to be with me. You guys should understand, ano, na hindi porke binigay sa inyo ng mga babae ang kanilang number, yung FB nila, yung OnlyFans account nila, ibig sabihin, trip ka na nila. The truth of the matter is, they only give their information to you. Kasi ayaw ng mga babae na i-reject yung mga lalaki right on the spot. So what most of them do is give their number to the guy, then they will just reject him later on. Kaya guys, kung ganyan yung pinapakita sa inyo ng mga babae, wag na kayong maghabol. Wag nyo na silang i-chat ng i-chat pa. Kasi let's face it, kahit anong sweetness ang ipakita nyo sa mga babae, kung yung attraction level nila is below a 5, hindi sila ma-attract sa'yo kahit ano pa yung gawin mo. Kasi baka iniisip nyo pa na, binigay naman niya sa akin yung personal number niya, Boss Sweet eh. So that must count for something, right? Guys, always remember, do not look at what they say, but rather look at their actions instead. So in this case, ano ba yung action ni girl? Di ba hindi siya nag-chat? Di ba hindi ka pinansin? Di ba sinin ka lang? That clearly means that she is not interested in you. Yung mga ibang babae pa nga dyan sinasabi pang, "Huy, thank you at kinuha mo yung number ko. I can't wait to have a conversation with you soon. Kaya chat mo ko, ha? Ang cute-cute mo talaga." Pero pag chinat mo na siya in the future, ano ang sabi niya? So in this case, ano yung sinasabi niya? It sounds like she is really into you, diba? Pero ano ba yung actions niya? Hindi ka niya pinansin. So ano ang mas matimbang dyan, mga sigarilyo? Syempre, yung actions niya. Huwag mo nang pansinin yung mga sinabi niya. We always look at their actions, not their words. Follow for more and mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa YT ko. Link in my bio.